Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an S&P 500 index fund on Etrade. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with Etrade. This is your gateway to investing in the market. Once your account is set up, the next crucial step is to fund it. You can transfer money from your bank account, ensuring you have capital ready for your investment. Remember, you can't directly purchase the S&P 500 index. Instead, you'll invest in a fund that tracks its performance. Now, let's talk about choosing the right S&P 500 ETF. Etrade provides access to many options that aim to mirror the index's performance. Well-known choices include SPY, IV, and VU. A fantastic option to consider is Etrade owned no-fee large-cap index fund, which boasts a 0% expense ratio. When comparing funds, always look at their expense ratios. These can range from as low as 3 basis points to about 10 basis points annually. With your account funded and ETF chosen, it's time to place your trade. Log into your Etrade account and head to the trading section. You'll need to enter the ticker symbol for your selected S&P 500 ETF, like SPY or VOO. Next, specify the number of shares you wish to buy. Finally, select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. After your purchase, it's important to regularly monitor your S&P 500 ETF's performance through your Etrade account. For consistent growth, consider setting up automatic investing, which allows you to contribute as little as $25 at regular intervals. Remember, S&P 500 ETFs provide broad diversification across 500 of the largest United States companies. This strategy is generally best suited for long-term goals, focusing on sustained growth over many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.